everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to share live location on Snapchat on iPhone. First thing, just open up your Snapchat, and then at the bottom here you see the location icon. There are actually two ways to share. The first one is by using the location icon. You tap on it, take it to Snap Map, and then you pin your location, and from there that is the location, and then from there you pin it down, you tap on send, and when you tap on send, you send it to the person you want to send it to. So let's say I'm sending it to this particular person. Like, tap on the person, tap on that arrow, and this pin has been sent. I can also decide to follow the other way, which is to go back to the chat, tap on chat, tap on the person's chat, and tap on the plus icon at the right hand side of the message bar. Tap on share location, current location, tap on the arrow, and then that's it. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.